In this guide, we will explain how to purchase a Unity Split license on the DeFi-U product website using Ultima tokens. Go to the DeFi-U website. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button and log in. In the dashboard that opens, in the upper right corner below the referral link, select the Unity Split section. Scroll down the page. You will see a list of available licenses to purchase in the Unity Split Licenses section. Please note that if there is a promotion currently running, you will see the licenses offered under it on the first tab. Purchasing promotional licenses follows a process similar to the one described in this guide. Choose the license that suits you and click on the Purchase button. A window will open, asking you to choose a payment method. Select Ultima, confirm your agreement with the terms by checking the box, and click Purchase. The window that opens will display the amount in Ultima and the wallet address to which you need to transfer the specified amount. The address will also be available as a QR code for transaction submission from the mobile application. To make the payment, send the required amount to the specified wallet. Please send the exact amount you see on the screen. Wait for the payment notification. Now you need to activate the license. To do this, go to the My Licenses menu. Find the purchased license and click the Activate button. If you want to view activation history, go to the Activation History tab. Congratulations, you have purchased and activated your license. Now you can enter into a split contract within the available limit of your license. If you have any questions, you can always send them to our support service, and we will happily assist you.